Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps Aliens die set. Now this set includes 4 different aliens, one with a little space gun, plus the rays for that space gun. The tallest alien cuts out to 3¼ inches high, and the smallest measures approximately a ½ inch high. Now these aliens go great with the Slimline Observation Deck Die, Lost in Space Paper Pack, Wait for Me stamp set, and many other recently released items from Whimsy Stamps. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you will find more inspiration. Until next time, take care.